Hi, my name is Debra R. Richardson of Debra R. Richardson LLC, and I work with you to help you clean up your vendor data, clean up your vendor processes so that you pay the right vendor. Now, this week's Vendor Master File tip of the week is OFAC Sanctions Compliance only for foreign vendors. Now, I thought of this topic because I was talking to a potential client last week, and because they did not have foreign vendors, they thought that OFAC did not apply to them. So let's see if that is true. So first we're going to start with what is OFAC. And so OFAC is, or really stands for, the Office of Foreign Assets and Control. And I have been calling them the Office of Foreign Assets and Control for the longest. I don't know why I put the "and" in there. But anyway, they are part of the U.S. Department of Treasury. And as most of you should know and should be doing, they have a free search tool that will search their specially designated nationals or SDN list, plus their non-SDN consolidated sanctions list, which consists of different types of sanctions, including one for CAPTA, which means that if you have a foreign vendor and that foreign vendor has a foreign financial institution or a foreign bank, you should be checking that too. Anyway, let's go on with why it is not just for non-US or foreign vendors. And if we take a look at what is on the website for OFAC related to the SDN list, it shows here that it also lists individuals, groups, and entities such as terrorists and narcotics traffickers designed under programs that are not country specific. So the answer to that is yes. And by the way, it doesn't take that long to do a search. It is free. I just had the search tool, and I will actually put a link to that in the description. So if you're not currently doing it, go ahead and start. Only takes like 5 minutes at the most. And then if you have any other like a program or a platform that has watch list sanctions or other types of validations, it may also include it anyway. So you want to verify that as well if you are not sure. Now, for more information on OFAC, they actually put out recently a new video series. I just showed the first one, but they have 2 episodes. This one is like an intro. It's like 3 minutes, but they have a second one that really goes into blocking and non-blocking sanctions and explains that content. So go ahead and check that out if you haven't. I will put a link to that in the show notes. And if you have a question about what validations you really should be doing, especially if you didn't know that you were supposed to do OFAC, then go ahead and sign up. I'll put a link to this also. So if you would like more information on how to improve your process, please go to my website, debrarrichardson.com, for free tools and resources to avoid fraud, regulatory fines, and just overall bad vendor data. Now, if you would like over 115 annual hours of training for your vendor team, check out the Vendor Process Training Center at training.debrarrichardson.com. So good luck, and be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified next Tuesday for the next Vendor Master File tip of the week.